Nowadays, we expect more from the office. We need it to scale and adapt for hybrid work. Hot desking provides that flexibility, instantly transforming shared desks into personalized workspaces. With interactive mapping from Cisco Spaces, it's easy to navigate the office and find an available desk. Employees just pick a spot and make it their own by scanning a QR code or docking a laptop. Right away, they'll be able to see their meeting schedule and join calls on any platform with a push of a button. No matter how big or small the space, a Cisco Desk device transforms it into a productive workspace. The 27-inch Desk Pro, 24-inch Desk, and 15-inch Desk Mini offer high-quality sound and audio, self-adjusting cameras, and intelligent tools like noise removal. It's all designed for seamless collaboration and easy to manage with insights from Control Hub. Make collaboration effortless.